So this is our first checkpoint in the water interview, checking how everybody's doing. How you feel, Virginia? Good. Good. How you feeling, Patrick? Good. This is your first time out here with us? Yes. Is it how you thought it would be? No. What's different? Okay.
But I'm actually glad that we didn't.
Good. So am I. Is it Fernando?
Good. Perfect.
Good?
Perfect.
Yeah. So you're the only one without a wetsuit, but it's warmer than I thought it would be. Nice.
It is.
Yeah, Liz is way out there. Hi, Liz.
She listened to instructions sitting outside.
How you feeling, Laramie?
Okay.
Good? You're doing a good job, keeping a good pace? Justin, having fun?
Good, yeah.
Very nice. Okay, so it looks good. We're just going to wait, give Mark and Tricia a chance to catch up. She's getting her groove over there. Smooth out her stroke a bit. So, what do you guys think about the conditions today? Wavy, okay. So the water is not flat. You liking the sunshine?
Yes.
Yeah, I am. Okay, good job.